camera, we have two cameras. The Kiev 60 and the Kiev 40. Okay, I'm not going to attempt to do a Russian accent, for goodness sake. We've got two cameras this week. The Kiev 60 medium format brick camera. Oh my goodness, this is an amazing camera, but don't drop it on your foot. And we got the Kiev 4A from 1980. Yes, we're going to have some fun. We're going to shoot film. We're going to shoot black and white film. We're going to shoot Kosmo. And I'm going to shoot Ilford because I discovered that the Russian film I had, well, wasn't kind of like tight, which you'll find out in this episode. If you like to learn and be inspired, join me on a quest of creativity, explore film, alternative processes and digital. Please subscribe and hit that notification button to get the latest videos every week. Okay. Okay, that's in focus. I think we're going to shoot wide open, or close to wide open in this. And we're going to load this guy up with some Ilford Pan F. Put that away over here. So, to load the camera, put these guys up, turn them around. Then this pipe slots off. So, there's the back. So, okay. I don't want to have the problem of it that we load it up right, then nothing's happening, you know. I think I was just watching another YouTube today, and the guy had the same. He was loading up a Russian film, and he ended up shooting 25 exposures or 24 exposures in one shot. So let's see. Could be right. Yeah. I think it worked.
It worked, great.
Feels like it works. So let's shoot some film.
Yes.
Georg's gonna load up this guy.
Oh yeah.
This big fella. With some Cosmos. So, Georg, you're gonna load this up. I'm gonna film you.
Alright, good. Let's do it. Haven't tried this for a long time. Haven't done this for a long time. So there's this. Okay, let's use this. What is this Kosmo film? First time I try this Kosmo. I'm supposed. There's this trick, you know, you think there are some people who take this part out and load it like this, but let's give it a try. Okay, and then I show you also here.
It's similar.
Yeah, it's similar mechanism.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like you have to do it, turn it to the outside.
Oh, it comes out, okay.
Yeah, it comes out, so you can load it like this. And then usually you should do it in oh, that's nice, unexposed. Total darkness. Yeah, it's good. So I think you can do it this way. Okay.
That's it.
But where's the arrow? Let's see.
Ah, yeah, the arrow's coming up. The sound of that is incredible.
Ah, that's too long, too apart. But anyways, we'll do. It's a bit different, but I think it's fine.
I wouldn't worry about it too much.
No.
You just lose the last frame.
Yes. And then it's like 1. I think you should do 1, 2. And then this, in order, let's watch this on YouTube, in order to don't have overlaps, you open it up again. Then it should start at H again.
Oh my goodness! It really is.
Fiddly camera.
Yeah.
And I think it should be. Yes, I think the first and the next one is.
Now you're live.
Now I'm live. Yes. So what are the settings? Look it up like this. So nice viewfinder.
Oh yeah. That is a nice viewfinder. Really bright.
Very bright. Yeah, let's shoot some film.
Let's do it.
Hey, I also have my light mirror.
So now the images from the Kiev 60, the camera that was made in Ukraine in the Arsenal factory. Both cameras were made there. Now I've got to say the images are incredible. They are full of contrast, full of detail, lots of good tonality, and you really can get what you want with the depth of field. It really is a great camera to use. Okay, it is clunky, it is heavy, but it does perform. The lines are straight, the details there, the contrast. It's wonderful on this Kosmo film. Now, I hope you've enjoyed these images. I'm going to show next the Kiev 4A images. I mean, it's on a different film and it's a different camera. But if you're interested in these cameras, hopefully it gives you an idea what they're capable of. Now, they're very, very different cameras. One is a big medium format camera and the other is a kind of a little, rangefinder, which is perfect for doing street work. The shutter is dead silent on it. Georg and I had really a great time shooting with the Kiev cameras. And if you can get your hands on one of these Kievs, don't just take it apart just for the lens to use on digital. Use the lens and the body together, and if you can get your hands on some Kosmo film, you get the whole kind of experience of how this camera shoots and how it feels and the images, and that's what we're kind of trying to do in this video. If you like this video and if you'd like myself and Georg to do some more stuff together, let me know down in the comments. No Eastern Bloc video would be complete without some pictures of the Trabant, the East German car that was kind of crap.
Yep, start.
So, let's open this little fella. So how old is this?
I don't know.
Oh, great sound effects.
20, 30 years.
So, 20, 30 years old?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. It's like past the parcel, this.
For sure.
Layers and layers. Oh, do we have to do this in a dark room, you think?
I have no clue. I really don't
Hold
know.
on, that feels like just film. That doesn't actually feel like it's in a canister.
Okay.
You know that?
Probably then.
I think I'm gonna do it in a dark bag. So that's pretty much it for this week. 2 wonderful cameras to shoot with, a lot of fun. And if you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give me a thumbs down. I hope to see you on the next one. And thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. And hope to see you on the next video. Goodbye.